denim up. Day in the life of a creator. Hello. Oh my gosh. Got Gani girl.
Gani. Acne Studios jacket.
So
EB denim. And knee-high. So, rouge, brandy, but I rolled up the skirt.
These leg warmers, Brandy, Mew Mew.
She's a brandy doll.
I know. And then this is from Baggy London. They sent it to me and it's API owned. You guys should check it out. Handmade. And then I put
So
a
cute.
Loewe pin. Yeah. We're on our way to Instagram Meta office and we're doing a little workshop. So this is a day in our life. And then Dev and I were actually wanting to match vibes. We both brought denim bags. Look at this. We're gonna take some little pictures after. Oh my god. Whoa, the hair is crazy.
The hair's giving though.
Thanks.
It's really giving. How'd you curl it like this?
Heated rollers. So I wake up, I plug it in, I brush my teeth, I change, I roll them up, and then I do my makeup, and then I roll it out and it's done. Life hack. But that's my on the go look. The duo is back. The duo is back.
Issa's been traveling too much and I'm like, girl.
It's cold here. And we're gonna get breakfast now. Meta time.
If I can open the door.
It's giving business time. And we skipped the line, so it was good. Wait, look at this. Look at this. Thank you. So I made us some tea because it's so cold outside. Actually, my dad shipped this from Amazon for me. It's like a green tea and we're gonna eat it with our yummy sticks. I also meal prepped some bolognese, so we're probably gonna eat both and enjoy lunch before I take on a meeting. Today's a bit busy, but the workshop was so great. We just learned about the platform, and because I mainly do fashion content for brands and I love my job, I'm always excited to learn more. Number one tip, after a seminar or a lecture, I always have questions prepped so that I'm really engaged and that I can take home valuable information. So like, I really try to get my brain working. I got spicy tuna.
I got spicy tuna as well.
Did feel it? I'm gonna try it.
Wait, if I'm actually obsessed with this, I'm gonna go all the time.
You have to come visit me. Cheers.
Cheers.
Look, it's egg and pickled daikon and spicy tuna. Isn't that good?
So good. I'm gonna come here all the time.
Oh, it's like kimbap, so it's Korean. Kimbap is kind of like Korean sushi, but it's with pickled veggies and like seafood, like sometimes crab and cucumber. So that's like
so good. I still got two of them. One for now, one for later.
So I sauteed spicy Italian sausage and ground beef that I got fresh from Whole Foods. And then I usually like to use tomato paste, but I only had canned tomatoes.
And I added bay leaves, garlic, onions, carrots, lots of diced carrots, fresh herbs. And I just boiled some lentil quinoa brown rice fusilli, so it's like healthy.
And I put burrata on it.
How long does it take you to meal prep?
Like an hour and a half.
For everything?
Yeah. I put olive oil, fresh pepper. Ready?
Taste test, Issa.
Yum the cheese.
That's it. I like this pasta. I wonder what brand it is.
Trader Joe's.
Was Trader Joe's? Oh, it has. I've tasted it before. But you made it perfectly al dente.
Thank you. You like it?
What did you think? 10 out of 10.
So no, stay in it. Hi, cutest team. Gosh, the week. Now we're going to the next stop. running. I'm working with Uber and they are covering the trips this week. I'm on the way to pick up my outfit for the show tonight from a hotel, and the designer is Issa Boulder and the accessories are from Justine Clinquet. That was a fun little presentation. Hi, I'm supposed to pick something up here. Issa, thank you so much. Yay, you ready? I'm on the way to a nail appointment with Emily Heath. And I just finished getting coffee in my fitting at Love Shack Fancy. And then after that, we have an event in Brooklyn. I didn't even get to say where my dress is from. It's from eBay. They complimented me at Love Shack on my outfit, which is so sweet. I can't wait to show what I picked. We're rolling with it. I'm doing a little vlog. Do you want to say hi? Oh, this is Emily. Sophie's here to help me again. Poor Dion Lee. Yay! Reunited. We got some pools from Issa Boulder. Love this designer. She's so sick. But I was thinking this could be really cool to go out in tonight. The way I unzip my dress and I'm showing this now. It's fine. This would be cool. It just looks so thick. But we're trying to pull together a look for Dion Lee.
This is a jacket that I pulled.
Yes.
Super structured.
I love it already. Oh my god, I'm scared. I don't know if I can pull this off. Oh, it's so cool though.
Because this is so structured, you can go pretty simple with the rest of the outfit. We're open with the belt on the outside.
But when it's open, it just looks... This dress is not gonna... I think I'll wear this dress for another show. Because it's still a beautiful dress. This I got in Seoul. From a brand called Sarek Official. Oh.
What? It's honestly a vibe.
It's honestly really good. I should tie like black ribbon around my leg.
That's like a really shitty way of tying.
Oh, this is cool. Unboxing time. Let's see if there's anything I can use for Fashion Week. Ooh! Wait, this is all the Rebag. Oh my god. Oh my god, look. I can't wait to open this. Okay, these are pieces I picked out for Fashion Week, so let's open it. Okay, this is from Prada. Yay!
And it's gonna match your shoes.
Yeah! So cute. Ooh, I picked a Tiffany. Oh my god. This is stunning. Oh my god, I get it. I get why it's so expensive. Wow, this chain. Should I wear it tonight?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna wear it tonight. Oh my god, thank god I opened this package. Ugh. Fashion Week! Alright, let's see if I can go past this.
I'm concerned.
Ooh, my parents are gonna be shaking their head. Alright, yay!
You made it. It was all that sage.
Oh, yeah! I'm cleansed! I'm a strainer. No! Shout out to the Living Proof delivery this morning and Rebag's delivery. Look, it's already straight.
Oh my god!
Deep frizz! I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want to play with my dogs right now. Let's just put on the outfit. I'm giving you Kim K A-list. I should have done this out. You had fun last night. I'm ready for this. I love Natalie, my manager.
What do they call it after you had like a night of drinking and then you drink again? Rally? No.
Cheers to Fashion Week!
I think during New York Fashion Week you can just feel a lot of this like competition. I hope that you guys just feel like you're here with family. Like at the Olive Garden.
Cheese. Oh my god. Hey.
What up, dude?
I got some goodies.
What's in the bag?
What's in the bag? Leftovers.
Yeah.
Fashion Week things. And I'm on the way to get a massage. It's midweek. I'm like in the most casual outfit. I'm obsessed with these shoes. And my little purse. And we're gonna get a massage and meet Ruby and Deb, my favorite girls. Before I continue on with the video, I just wanted to give a really quick shout out to Casetify. They are literally my go-to cases and they have the most durable protective cases ever, and they last from a 6.6 foot drop test. They're long lasting with UV Defender technology, and they're just known for having really stylish and versatile cases that are also super protective. The clear cases work from charging bricks to wireless charging stations, but they're perfect for when you want to fit something slim into your pocket. You guys can use my code casetify.com/isabelsung to shop right here. The one that I use that goes with all of my outfits. The buttons are super tactile, so you can click them easily and they won't get stuck. And the best part is that they have little custom MagSafe chargers as well, and they click perfectly. Ta-da! Be sure to go to casetify.com/isabelsung for 15% off today. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. It's blurry. Oh, hey, how's your massage? So good. 10 out of 10. Yay, foodie time!
With a yellowtail, this one amber jack, this one tuna, and this one madai.
Thank you. We just increased our omakase to 17 pieces because we're always big foodies on here. Thank you. Oh wait. I'm at Everybody for a Fashion Week facial. I'm doing my first laser facial. They invited me here to try it out, so I'm really excited. This is a nice way to like simmer down after all the craziness. Thank you, I can see the difference. That was so great. I can see the firmness in my skin. As I'm putting on my earrings, these are clip-ons. If there's any clip-on brands you guys know, let me know, because I don't wear real earrings anymore, unfortunately. I like instantly feel so much more confident because my skin doesn't look dull. Like I feel like I love my face right now. I was checking to see there's no cameras. Thanks, everybody.
My room is a bomb because it's Fashion Week. Ah! Boom. And then...
Ta-da! Yay, it's clean. It's a little situation there, but it's fine. For the rest of Fashion Week, I have a few more shows this week, and I'm really excited because I'm going to a Vogue party. I'm going to rest up, and tomorrow I'm gonna work out, and I have a couple of showrooms that I'm visiting and some gifting lounges. Anyway, let's go to bed. Good night. Depop with jean, and I think I want it to be, I like to do very girly and throw in a bit edge. I feel like because this is so feminine, this kind of contrast. I mean, I could wear this. No. I'm wearing like these little clips. Now I can wear like sneakers and make it more street. But I like this skirt. I slicked back my hair because now I look clean. Did you see me before? That was disgusting. I think I'm gonna go with the Miu Miu. I also have to bring my camera, but... Oh no, I'm bringing you. You're wearing this camera? I like how this tan matches the shoes. I mean, definitely makes it more casual, but I like it. It's kind of fun. Which floor is it? Second floor. Thank you. How are you? Hi. Nice to meet you. Hi, Abby. Thank you for having me.
So she is everything. Now I'm just gonna pop a little bit on my hand so you can see.
Ooh.
This is super pretty.
Does it add like a sheen?
It has a little bit of the sheen.
Okay, I love that.
It just gives you that perfect like glowy magical Hollywood look. I want you to get that shimmer in there.
Just said hi while I'm vlogging. Joe.
What's up?
We had dinner. I'm taking him to my favorite spot.
We're gonna eat down.
We would eat at the shows and a good meal. He was like, I'm craving Asian. And I said, say less because look at me. Look at the demographic.
Okay.
But yeah, we're going to go out later today. This is my favorite. I'm gonna get your reaction when you try it.
Pretty good.
Gowns. 20 minutes late. Where's Isha? It's this, right? Hold on. Ooh. I got the whole crew. Let's go in. Just made it to the event. So bougie. Lazy outfit, but I'm on the way to return the dress I wore for Love Shack. I'm wearing a sandy scrunchie, and these pieces are from Korea. I just paired them like this. Has a little belt loop, but I'm just wearing Miu Miu's and a little silver Prada bag to go with this silver necklace. And I'm gonna meet my friend Joe and take him to my favorite little Cantonese place for some char siu fan. Isn't it good?
It is good.
Recommend doing this with your friends.
10 out of 10.
Oh. No stay.
Good. No stay, baby.
Okay, ladies, these are my nails. Ta-da! I got it this color for the Vogue party. I'm so excited. In the Uber on the way. We're talking about how we've never gotten flowers for Valentine's. Hee hee.